Comparing unit rates is used to find the better buy. We use this a lot when we are shopping to make sure we're getting a good deal. Here are some examples for comparing unit rates. A 2-gallon container of ice cream costs $8.10. A 4-gallon container of ice cream costs $16.60. Which is the better buy? Use ratio tables to find and compare unit costs. First, set up two tables with cost over gallons. One we'll use for the 2-gallon container, the other for the 4-gallon. The 2-gallon container costs $8.10 for 2 gallons. But we want to know the unit cost, so we need to find the cost for 1 gallon. To do this, we divide 2 by 1. Divide 2 by 2 to get 1. We do the same thing to the $8.10, dividing by 2 to get $4.05. The 2-gallon container costs $4.05 per gallon. Now we repeat the process with the 4-gallon container. The 4-gallon container costs $16.60. We want to know the cost for 1 gallon, so we're going to divide by 4. $16.60 divided by 4 is $4.15. So it would be better for me to buy the 2-gallon containers. Here's another example for fruit punch. Fruit punch costs $6 and it does 4 refills, or version B costs $8 for 6 refills. We're going to repeat the same process, taking the cost divided by the quantity. So 6 divided by 4 and 8 divided by 6. 6 divided by 4 is $1.50 per refill. 8 divided by 6 is $1.33 per refill. Fruit punch B is the better buy. The next example is a turkey. One turkey, turkey A, costs $12 for 8 pounds. Turkey B costs $3.59 for 5 pounds. Take the cost of the turkey divided by the pounds. 512 divided by 8 is 64 cents per pound. 359 divided by 5 is 71 8/10 cents per pound. Now that's not how we typically write money unless we're talking about gasoline. So we're going to round that one to 72 cents. Turkey A is the better buy at 64 cents. Example 3 is another turkey. This one is $3.06 per pound, and the other one is $3.92 for the 4 pounds. We need to find the cost per pound. $3.06 divided by 3 is $1.02. $3.92 divided by 4 is 98 cents. 98 cents per pound is the better deal. Last one is a word problem. A 6-pound bag of snack mix costs $12.90. A 16-pound bag of snack mix costs $32.80. Which bag of snack mix is the better buy? Well, we're going to approach this the same way, taking the cost divided by the number of pounds. So $12.90 divided by 6 is $2.15 per pound. $32.80 divided by 16, $2.05 per pound. Since $2.05 is cheaper, the 16-pound bag is the better deal.